It's on recording.
Your phone is on silent?
My phone's always on vibrate.
Oh, really? Don't put it
Nicki
on.
Minaj. Oh.
Yeah, but ringtones.
Nicki Minaj.
I don't got one, and I got ringtones.
Ringtone for what? Nicki Minaj. So
I used to have a 300 one.
I like that.
And I sent it to you! Yo! I sent you that one and the boombox.
And I never used any of them because Nicki Minaj.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is bad news. You need to have a ringtone. You don't have to have a girl to have a ringtone.
I feel like you do.
Dude, it's a ringtone. Why do you need to have a girl?
So then you can like differentiate between your girl, dudes, this, and that. But I don't care. It's all the same now, you know?
I mean, all right.
You feel me?
I love music. So I got ringtones.
I'm not that big into music, so I mean,
even like the boombox, even the 300.
I like the boombox.
Even my wrestling is just yes.
I get it, but at the end of the day, I don't really care because at the same time, if somebody called me, I want to ignore it. I don't want to hear yes. I just want to be like, oh, I missed your call. I legit missed your call.
There's so many things I could go on, bro. Even if you sleeping and your phone is just vibrating, it's important. How can you know?
I can hear it. When you have two,
you can hear it vibrate.
Yeah, I can hear it vibrate.
How can you have a ringtone?
Because I can hear it vibrate. I don't need a ringtone. What the hell? When you have two sisters, you listen to the quietness, you know, and now all of a sudden my brain is wired now to listen to everything. If my phone vibrates, I can hear it. That's good enough. I mean, I don't have time to go look for each person and give them a separate ringtone.
I'm not giving everybody a separate ringtone. Only my text and my phone call. That's it.
It's all the same to me. All right, you know what? Let's get this going.